Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Robeson County in southeastern North Carolina, west central Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina, northwestern Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hespertown, or over Lumberton, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lumberton, Elizabethtown, Fairmont, St. Paul's, Bladenboro, Fair Bluff, Boardman, Bladen Community College, Butters, Hespertown, Robeson Community College, Smiths, Howellsville, Taylorsville, Abbotsburg, Barnesville, Tobermory, Barker 10 Mile, Evergreen, and Dublin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901.